Once we have signed into the Firebase console, now we can configure for the project of a Firebase. Here is the documentation. Add the Firebase to your Flutter app. We have completed step 1, installing command lines, and then we have done Firebase login. Also, we have installed the Flutter Fire command. Then step 2, configure your apps to use Firebase. This is what I'm going to do in this video. Is there. So what does this Flutter Fire configure command do? Here is the plus icon. If you unfold it, some details are there, so you can take time to read those information later. But here in red, some special warning is that after initial running of Flutter Fire configure, that is what we are going to do right away in this video. You need to rerun this command anytime that you add a new platform to your Flutter app. Here platform means Android, iOS, web, Mac or Windows, Linux and the like. So initially you have used only for Android. You want to add a new platform, then you need to rerun this command. Another case you need to rerun this one is when you add a new Firebase services. Here Firebase services include authentication, cloud store, and then many other things. So initially you used only some of those. If you want to add another service, you need to rerun this command. So the command is Flutter Fire configure is the one. So let's do that. Clear the screen. Flutter Fire configure is the command. First, you need to choose the Firebase project you have created for this course. So this is the one I'm going to use, so choose yours. You can use arrow to navigate. You have more than one project showing up. Press enter. Then which platform you are going to use. In this course, Android or web is the choice you can have. If you can run on Android emulator, you can use that. But if your computer does not fully support that, you can use a web interface. But it's okay to select all of those ones. So minimally, Android and the web is required. And then feel free to choose all of those. So I'm going to choose all of those. Press enter. And then it goes through configuration steps. Working on iOS part now, working on Mac, working on web. Then working on Windows. It's all successfully done. A few files are created up because of that. Then let me continue work on that in the next video.